All right, this is Mary Lost Her Little Lamb, the extended hand-shaped version in G minor. Start with the fourth finger, open G. Play along with me. We're going to reach that first finger straight up in the sky. Don't let it change the shape of your hand. Keep it straight and lay it back to the A string. Now, whatever you do, don't let your fourth finger leave the D string. We're going to start here on a B flat. Here's our G. Make sure that doesn't move, because we're going to keep that the whole time. We start with the B flat. 1, A, G, A, B flat, A, B flat, B flat, B flat, B flat, A, G, A, B flat. My thumb is not touching the cello. I'm sitting very tall and forward. The cello I'm pulling against my body and my chest. 1, 2, try it again. B flat. Don't move the left hand.